Welcome to this QuickBooks Online tutorial for beginners 2019 on how to create a credit memo in QuickBooks Online. My name is Matt Holquist with the QuickBooks University, and I want to walk through how to do a credit memo, but I think even more importantly is walking through how you do the setup to either automatically apply or not automatically apply credits to customer accounts, okay? Because this can get a little bit confusing if you have the auto apply credits to accounts turned on in QuickBooks Online, okay? All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, and I wanna walk through each of these. If we go up to the gear icon, we go to Accountant Settings. All right, we go to the Advanced tab, and you're gonna see down here, okay, under Automation, Automatically Apply Credits. This is on right now, okay? So let me show you how this will work. Okay, so if we go up here to the Quick Create menu and go to Credit Memo, let's say that we need to give a credit to a customer. We'll say to Amy's Bird Sanctuary, and we're going to say that this is a credit for, what you're going to do is choose, okay, what are you giving a credit for? This could be a, maybe, the customer called and said, hey, can you give me a discount on this invoice? Or they said, hey, I wasn't happy with this, and you say, I'll give you a credit on your account. Whatever the case may be, this is going to be a credit that you're going to give to a customer that you're going to apply to one of their invoices, okay? So let's say that this was concrete, all right? And maybe you messed up something on the concrete and you say, I'm going to give you a $25 credit on your account, okay? You'll see here, this is taxable, so it's going to adjust the sales tax as well. Okay, so it's a total of a $27 credit. All right, so we simply go save and close. Okay, you'll send this to the customer and show them that you're giving them a credit. Okay, so now if we go to, let me show you this. If we go to, well, let's go up here. We're going to go to over here, we're going to receive a payment. Okay, so if we go ahead and choose Amy's Bird Sanctuary, okay, we're going to see that this invoice is outstanding and there's $131 open balance. Okay, but it doesn't show anything for the credit. All right, because the credit is automatically applied in this situation. Okay, so if I go to this invoice, okay, and I say, yeah, let's go without save. And I want to go back to this original invoice, all right, and we'll see that it's showing that there are 3 payments for $328, okay? So if I click on this, you're going to see, okay, on 3/19, there was amount applied $27. So what was this? There was no payment, okay, and if we go to this, it's showing this credit as $27 because it's being applied automatically. Okay, so it's okay if you want to do this and just have it apply to open invoices automatically. That's fine. You can do this, but it can get a little bit confusing because if you go back to this, if you go to receive payments, it just doesn't show that any credits have been applied. All right. So what I typically will do is let's turn off. Okay, let me get out of here. Let's turn off the automatic application of a credit to a customer's account. All right, so let's go here. We're going to edit this. We do not want to automatically apply credits. Okay, hit save. All right, so now it's off. We're going to hit done. Okay, so now what I want to do, I'm going to go ahead and create another credit memo. Let's do another one for Amy. Okay, Amy's Bird Sanctuary, and this time we're going to do a credit for, let's say, design, and we'll say that this one is $61, okay? All right, so this credit is $61. All right, you're going to save and send this to the customer, and right now we're going to save and close it on here. Okay, so now if I go up to receive payment from Amy's Bird Sanctuary, okay, we're going to see here, Amy's Bird Sanctuary, and you'll see now that this credit shows up down here, okay? And so now you can apply it to the balance, and you'll be able to see which credits are out there, Okay. So again, you want to just make sure that when you do issue a credit to a customer, check your settings, okay? Because if you want to automatically apply these credits, again, it'll show up here and automatically apply them to open invoices. If you don't, and for me, I like to have a little bit more control about which credits I'm applying, because maybe they have multiple invoices out there and you're only applying it to one invoice. And so you want to just have a little bit more control over how you apply those credits. Okay. Any questions, comments, please feel free to leave them below. And also join us over at the QuickBooks University. It's the website is qbuniversity.org. Got the full training series there. I answer personal questions through the private Facebook group as well as our forum. Look forward to seeing you over there.